Good morning everyone. My name is Mansi Sanjay Kumar Suranshi and my today's topic is DNA and RNA. DNA, it consists of the two helical polynucleated chain, and it is a right-handed double helix, and there are two chains or the strand are the anti-parallel or the opposite polarity, and purines and pyrimidine bases of the each strand and faces inward towards each other. There are two grooves, major groove and minor groove. Then the helix has two external grooves, narrow groove called minor grooves and wide groove called major grooves. And there are DNA types are three: A DNA, B DNA, and Z DNA. A DNA is the double helical structure of DNA. It is the most active along with the other form, and it occurs only in the dehydrated sample of the DNA, such as those used in the crystallography experiment, and it is similar to bDNA. There are 11 base pairs of present. Then bDNA, it is a right helical handed sense, and 10.4 base pair per turn, 0.34 nanometer rise per base pair along the axis, and it is an anti-parallel and major group are present. Then ZDNA, it is an anti-parallel strand of the bDNA, and the major groove is absent, and it is one of the many possible DNA double helix structure, and it is a long and thin as compared to bDNA. The DNA ability having to renaturation and denaturation, and the functions of DNA is regulation of expression and activity, and the inheritance, variation, replication, and transcription. Then RNA is a nucleic acid called as a ribonucleic acid, and functions are make up the ribosomes, helps to assemble proteins and to transfer the genetic information DNA to the cell for use. The structure of RNA, it is made up of the repeating strand of nucleotide, contains all the three parts similar to the DNA, that are sugar, phosphate, and nitrogen base. And the sugar in RNA is called ribose, and the RNA is a single strand. There are three types: mRNA, tRNA, and rRNA. mRNA means messenger RNA. It is a single strand that carries the message from DNA in the nucleus to the ribosomes in the cytosol, so that can be used to make proteins, and function is transfer the information. Then tRNA, it is a clove leaf shape and single strand that carries amino acid to the ribosomes and helps to assemble them to correct order. It is anticodon loop are present. Then rRNA, it is a single stranded in the globular form, and rRNA binds with the protein and to make up the ribosomes, which are used to make the proteins. Thank you everyone.